celebrate Olokun festival with Ooni of Ife and Yeye Lara Fshola in Lagos. Olokun Cultural Festival was held on the 26th and 27th of August 2022 in Lekki, Nigeria. The Cuban ambassador to Nigeria, Clara Pulido Escandell, felicitate with Olokun and adherents on the occasion of the cultural festival. Olokun is an Orisha full of deep mysteries. She is often associated with dark or left-hand path magic. The reason for this is that no light ever hits the bottom of the ocean where Olokun lives. She embodies the necessary darkness that is within us all, the drive that every living thing possesses to survive.
Good morning to all participants at Olokun Festival. On behalf of the Embassy of Cuba in the Federal Republic of Nigeria and on behalf of the Cuban people, I want to express my good message to all participants at Olokun Festival. Especially, I want to express my appreciation for the job done by Yeye, Lara, Fshola as convener of this festival, and to all high-level participants in the festival. Olokun Festival is very pertinent not only for Yoruba people, but also for Cuban people once we have inherited Yoruba culture, Yoruba religion, and many aspects of Yoruba life in Cuba. Not only of Yoruba, from Africa at large, but specifically from Yoruba land, we are very grateful for the tremendous contribution that Yoruban culture has made to the Cuban people for many centuries now. We as Cubans, we consider ourselves part of Africa in many aspects, because not only what we inherited from this continent, but also because of all the links that tied Africans and Cubans in a very solid matter and way. We want to express also our best wish of success for this festival, this Olokun Festival 2022, and for all festivals coming in the next future, and also to the cultural and tourism section of ECOSOC African Union Nigeria for the contribution for us to get in contact with this so important and relevant festival, especially to my dear good friend, Honorable Quadri Adu Kehinde. So thank you very much to all of us, to all of you, and my deep appreciation and my permanent gratitude, as well as the gratitude of the Cuban people for this contribution of Yoruban culture to us. And we believe that this festival is part of us and we are part of that festival. Once again, all the success and all the best for the Olokun Festival. Thank you.
Olórí kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ olùdájọ́ wọ́n kì í bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ lọ́jọ́ kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Ooni mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Ooni mo dọ̀bálẹ̀ kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mo kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ mo dábàá mo jẹ́ ẹnu ẹ̀yin lọ́mọ nínú kò ọmọ nínú
Media, listen, I hope you guys don't mind. Just a beat to the back, please. A beat to the back. Madam, a beat to the back. A beat to the back. Everybody, a beat to the back. Please, everybody, a beat to the back. Auntie,